marks the time of endeavor and ambition as we work collectively to elevate India to new heights of progress and prosperity. It is essential that one of us makes commitment to uphold fundamental duties and strive for excellence in every aspect of our lives, both individually as a community. By doing so, we assure that our nation continually ascends to greater achievements and reaches new pinnacles of success. Our constitution framed by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, our contributions and sacrifices are deeply valued, and I offer my sincerest wishes for your continued well-being and success. Together, let us embrace the spirit of momentous occasion and reaffirm our commitment to build a stronger and more inclusive India. May our collective efforts lead us to future filled with opportunities, peace, prosperity to all. Once again, happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir, for your invaluable message which presses the needs of the society, the problems that are faced by the society, and reminding the citizens their responsibility to overcome those, to fulfill those needs. Thank you very much, sir. Now it's time for prize distribution. First prize in essay writing goes to D. Harshita, CSC 3rd year. D. Harshita, I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir and the other members to give the certificates and cash prize to the winners. D. Harshita, is she there?
Sure.
Harshita, CSC 3rd year. First prize in essay writing. Next, I. Sai Ishwari, drawing. U. Manikanta, technology. U. Manikanta, first prize in patriotic songs. Biotechnology, U. Manikanta, first prize in patriotic songs. C.H. Lohita, first prize in quiz. CSC 4th year, C.H. Lohita. U. Manikanta, Biotechnology. Yes. So, V. Nagendra, MBA. Next prize, elocution second prize goes to V. Nagendra, MBA. V. Nagendra. V. Nagendra, second prize in drawing goes to V. Nagendra. Third prize to V. Nagendra, second prize in drawing, second prize in patriotic songs. V. Nagendra, second prize in elocution, drawing and patriotic songs. Next, V. Kavyasri, biotechnology, V. Kavyasri, second prize in quiz. V. Kavyasri, I. Kulashekar, A. Teja. Kavyasri from biotechnology, Kulashekar from CSC 4th year, A. Teja from MBA 1st year. Quiz, second prize. U. Suraj, MSc Zoology, third prize in essay. U. Suraj, T. Susila, P. Pratap. U. Suraj, essay writing, third prize. T. Susila, elocution.
వెళ్ళిపోయి తీసుకో మీ బ్యాచ్ లో తీసుకో
Elocution, third prize.
ఇది ఉందిగా బ్యాచ్ లో థర్డ్